What are the four components of
I'll say
compost?
water and carbonation, right?
So you got water,
Carbon,
nitrogen,
oxygen.
oxygen. The classic composting relationship from carbon to nitrogen is 30 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen. Nitrogen is going to be my green things. Anything coming from the kitchen is going to be green. Anything that's recently alive. What do we commonly do to cooked foods?
Salt them.
We salt it and we put oil on it. Neither of those are going to help the critters that we want to foster in a compost pile. Wherever you see vetch, that's a super high nitrogen source. Wherever you see peas, that's a nitrogen source. Any of the legumes that are fixing nitrogen in the soil are going to burn super fast. I'm going to get this compost pile up to 140 degrees, maybe even 160 if I'm turning it fast enough. My ignition is going to be nitrogen. And I want the highest ignition that I can get. The highest ignition plants that I have are actually alfalfa. Alfalfa pellets are pretty much like lighter fluid. So for browns, our carbon, we are going to use some newspaper. Now, why do you think I want to shred this stuff?
So it can break down easily?
And when we go to turn it, it's going to be a lot easier to get on a pitchfork. Many of you have heard, and we learned in Master Gardener class, that you have to crop rotate. You can't grow tomatoes the same place every year. Well, I got different information. If your soil biology is good, if your microbial balance is healthy, feel free to plant your tomatoes there year after year, because who the heck has enough room to rotate every 4 years? No. Compost, compost, compost. I want the best quality compost that this county's ever seen. So we're going to dump those in there. Perfect. Just dump it elsewhere. So this is called batch compost. All at once. All right, now I need some browns, some carbons. Okay, so what does it look like? Well, come on over here. Know that this looked exactly